Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 22nd to the 26th of January 2018, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week, a trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate a substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Weekly market outlook, the key events to watch this week. The European Central Bank is widely expected to keep interest rates at their current record levels when it holds its first policy meeting of the year on Thursday. President Mario Draghi will hold what will be a very closely watched press conference 45 minutes after the rate announcement. The main focus will be whether the ECB thinks the Eurozone recovery is now so strong that it can end its 2.5 trillion stimulus program in one fell swoop in September. The Bank of Japan is also seen keeping policy on hold at the conclusion of its two-day rate review on Tuesday, including a pledge to keep short-term interest rates at minus 0.1%. There have been some indications recently that the central bank is setting the ground to begin discussions on winding back its quantitative easing program. A small reduction in the purchase of long-dated Japanese government bonds earlier this month triggered speculation it will follow the Federal Reserve and ECB and start normalizing policy sooner than expected. The US will release preliminary figures on fourth quarter economic growth on Friday. The report is expected to show growth showing an annual rate of 3% from 3.2%. If GDP comes in as forecast, it will be the third consecutive quarter of 3% growth, a solid and consistent pattern that has been seen since 2005. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve meets on January the 30th, but no action is expected to be taken at Fed Chair Janet Yellen's final meeting before she hands the gavel to Jerome Powell. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. This week our trade idea is going to be focused on crude oil. WTI crude oil is currently trading at $63.25 per barrel. This after breaking out to three-year highs last week, just under $65 per barrel. We have started to see oil pull back here over the last few days, despite a conflict in the Middle East and ongoing attempts by a group of major oil producers around the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and Russia to prop up prices by cutting production. Oil markets have started to lose some steam here since the middle of January, where they broke out to the highest levels since late 2014. It's also worth noting that we are entering a lower demand period in terms of seasonality here for oil. So if we have a look at the price structure of WTI crude oil, the trade idea that we are looking at right now is the potential for a more significant correction here in the days to come. You will note where we're starting to break through the weekly lows here, and in fact the price right now is looking a bit vulnerable for a retest back towards $60 per barrel. So from a trade idea point of view at the moment with WTI crude oil, if this momentum continues to the downside after we've recently had a breakout to the three-year highs and WTI crude oil is also overbought at the moment, what we may see here is a good opportunity here to actually go short. In terms of resistance zones at the moment, you can very simply see where we are coming into overhead resistance right now, and we have also started to break below the weekly lows. You can actually see oil right now starting to get a move and break down a little bit lower here, back below the neckline of the recent breakout, which was just above 63 US dollars per barrel. So if we have a look at this, so if we zoom into oil more closely here, you can actually see the decline which is starting to occur as we are seeing oil here break back below $63.17. So essentially the next major levels of support here, if we continue to see oil break down, would take the price back towards $62.50, and then below that we would be looking for a retest of 61 US dollars per barrel, which was the level we broke out from at the end of December, leading into 3-year highs here in mid-January. So right now, overall momentum is looking bearish right now on Monday for WTI crude oil, and from a trade idea point of view, we are looking to capitalize on this short-term momentum lower and look for a retest back towards the recent lows here at the beginning of January. So that is what we're looking at on WTI crude oil. On the flip side of that, if oil was to get a bid this week, and if this move lower is just very short term, we may see it just develop into a bull flag formation for a continuation pattern. On Monday at the moment, the momentum is bearish, but if we do see some support come in for oil this week, and if we can break above this overhead trend channel, we potentially then would have a bull flag formation and a continuation pattern. We do need to note the channels which oil is moving between at the moment, but certainly short term oil is overbought, and we could anticipate the potential for a more significant correction in the days to come. If we have a look at Brent crude oil, very similar situation. So Brent crude oil is currently trading at 68 US dollars per barrel. That is also after breaking out to 3-year highs, just testing around $70 per barrel over the last week, and we're starting to roll over in price structure here. So from a trade idea point of view, again, looking for additional momentum to the downside. The first levels I would look at would be $65.50 per barrel, and then beyond that a move back towards 66 US dollars per barrel. If the momentum really continues to break down significantly lower here, we could of course see a move all the way back down to 65 US dollars per barrel for Brent crude oil, and below that I'll be looking for some support here at $62, but we're quite far away from that at the moment. Short term, I would suggest momentum is bearish here. We'll look to capitalize on that via our trades at the Gold and Silver Club. So Brent crude oil and WTI crude oil, we're looking for short-term momentum lower. Now, of course, if you'd like to find out the exact trades that we will be taking at the Gold and Silver Club, including our entry, our exit, our take profit levels, and all of our trade management, as well as get access to all of the services that we provide at the Gold and Silver Club, do make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we'll provide you with full details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included gold, platinum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and also Ethereum. Gold last week continued the momentum higher after the US dollar broke down to 3-year lows, and gold broke out to 3-month highs, banking us 240 points profit on our long position. Platinum last week also got a significant bid and is currently leading the move on the precious metals, getting very close now to breaking above the August 2017 highs, banking us 390 points profit on our breakout trade. Cryptocurrencies also got a bid last week after the recent corrections where we saw Bitcoin correct over 50% from the highs here of December of $20,000 all the way back down to below $10,000. But actually this set up for a great buying opportunity last week, capitalizing on the capitulation move, banking us 1,300 points profit on our swing trade. Ethereum also last week gave us a perfect opportunity to re-enter at a better price after the recent pullback, banking 140 points profit on our breakout trade. And finally, Bitcoin Cash revisited the lows from December, giving us another opportunity to re-enter at an accumulation zone, banking us 240 points profit on our long position. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The private members live trading room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our private members live trading room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.